She's a trip to Paris, makes you wanna stay. Oh, I need all of her lipstick on my face. She's a bit of careless, but a cabaret. She knows her worth, the price to pay. She's a trip to Paris. She's a movie screenplay, but the finest parts, the ones that have the pretty music that drown out every heart. She's a modern painter with the finest stars. She'll draw the lines that make up all of your infinite sky. She's a trip to Paris. She's a trip to Paris. She's a trip to and I'll never leave. She's a trip to Paris with a beautiful face. And if you leave, you'll never find a better place.
Madame Chao, consentez-vous à prendre pour époux Monsieur Vincent, ici présent?
Oui.
Monsieur Vincent, consentez-vous à prendre pour épouse Madame Chao, ici présente?
Oui.
Au nom de la loi, je déclare Madame Chao et Monsieur Vincent unis par le mariage. Toutes mes félicitations.
You look perfect when you wake up. I'm the lucky man in your bed. You're wasting time, put no makeup. Don't know how it got in your head. Things you think you need to change, things that keep us running late. Girl, that ain't what makes you 10. 'Cause your smile, your eyes told you about 1,000,000 times, but I'm about to say it again. You look amazing. You look amazing. Don't matter what you wear or what you do, you turning heads in every room. Don't know why you act so surprised. You look amazing every time. You make me wanna pick a handful of wildflowers. They remind me of you. Natural beauty don't come from you spending hours. God just gave it to you. You look amazing. You look amazing. Don't matter what you wear or what you do, you turning heads in every room. Don't know why you act so surprised. You look amazing every time. Ooh, those pretty eyes looking back at me. Ooh, if they could only see what I see. You look amazing. You look amazing. Don't matter what you wear or what you do, you turning heads in every room.